How to send money to Philippines in minutes. First, you're going to install the app World Remit, and then once you installed it, click on it. And since I'm using this all the time, I had a save recipient. So at this video, I'm going to choose Brihida Claro. Just press that one, and then this screen will show up on how much you send. That one on top is on pesos. So I will just put in this video, I will just put 1,000 pesos for this tutorial. So I put 1,000 pesos, Philippine peso. So I'll write that down and then click next. And at the bottom you can see the details of how much is the exchange rate. So the exchange rate for today is $38 point something. So I click that, and then you can choose how you're gonna send it, either through bank deposit or using your credit card. So in this video I'm just gonna use my credit card. So I press the credit card, and then you're gonna put the information. So once you put the information, it's asking for authorization, and then it's processing. Then once it's processing, they will give you a confirmation that this one's already been collected. So that transaction number is the previous one I used. So we will check our email for confirmation. So there's the confirmation. That is very quick. It's like one minute and it's already ready for picked up. So that's how you send money to Philippines in a very quickest way possible. Thank you for watching. Bye.